In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to change your email address in Kit. We'll walk through this process step by step so you can confidently update the email you use to log into your account. By the end, your new email will be set as the default, and all future communication and login access will go through that address. First, start by logging into your Kit account as you normally would. Once you're in, look to the top right corner of the screen. You should see your account name or your avatar. Click on that, and a small menu will appear. From that menu, select Settings. This is where you'll find all the options related to your profile and account preferences. When the Settings page opens, look over to the left-hand side of the screen. You'll see a sidebar with different categories. Find and click on Email. This section is specifically for managing the email addresses connected to your account. Next, you'll want to add the new email address you plan to use. Look for the option that says Add from Address and click on it. A form will appear where you can enter a name and an email address. The name is usually how you want it to appear in communications, so you can use your own name or a label that makes sense for you. Carefully type in the new email address you want to use and then click Add Email. Once you've done that, Kit will send a confirmation message to the new email address you just added. Open a new tab or switch to your email app and check your inbox for that confirmation email. If you don't see it right away, give it a minute and be sure to check your spam or promotions folders just in case it was filtered there. When you find the message, open it and follow the instructions inside to confirm your new email. This is an important security step to prove that you own that address. After you've confirmed it, return to Kit and go back to the email section under Settings. You should now see your newly added email listed there. To make this your main login email, find that new address and click Set Default. Once you set it as the default, Kit will treat this as your primary email for logging in and receiving important updates. And that's it. You've successfully changed your email address in Kit.